Living in Scottsdale, Arizona, offers residents a mix of breathtaking desert landscapes, vibrant communities, and abundant sunshine. However, the area's year-round sun and high temperatures also come with a challenge: managing energy costs. Air conditioning often works overtime in Scottsdale homes, which can lead to skyrocketing energy bills. One solution that's gaining popularity is installing energy-efficient windows. These innovative windows not only help regulate indoor temperatures but also bring a host of financial and environmental benefits. Understanding energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the transfer of heat between the inside and outside of your home. They are constructed using advanced technologies such as low E-glass coatings. These coatings reflect infrared and ultraviolet light, keeping your home cooler in the summer without reducing visible light. Multiple panes of glass. Double or triple pane windows with insulating gas fills, like argon or krypton, provide a barrier against heat transfer. Quality frames. Window frames made of materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite wood offer better insulation compared to traditional aluminum. Sealed edges. Enhanced seals prevent air leaks, ensuring that cool air stays in and hot air stays out. By combining these features, energy-efficient windows make it easier to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures with less reliance on air conditioning. Why Scottsdale homes need energy-efficient windows. Scottsdale's climate is characterized by hot summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a crucial factor for homeowners. Here are some of the reasons why upgrading to energy-efficient windows makes sense. Combating intense heat. The average summer high temperature in Scottsdale can exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Traditional windows allow heat to infiltrate your home, forcing your cooling system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows minimize this heat gain, reducing strain on your air conditioner. Savings on energy bills. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heat gain and loss through windows account for 25–30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Scottsdale homeowners can significantly cut this percentage and lower their monthly bills. Improved indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows eliminate common problems like hot spots near windows or rooms that remain warmer than others. This uniform temperature distribution enhances comfort, no matter how intense the sun gets. Protection against UV damage. Scottsdale's abundant sunlight is beautiful but harsh. Prolonged UV exposure can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Low E coatings on energy-efficient windows block up to 99% of UV rays, protecting your interiors. Financial benefits of energy-efficient windows. Investing in energy-efficient windows may require an upfront cost, but the long-term savings make it a worthwhile investment. Here's how they save you money. Lower utility bills. Many Scottsdale homeowners report saving hundreds of dollars annually after installing energy-efficient windows. Increased home value. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's buyers. Upgraded windows can enhance your property's resale value. Rebates and incentives. Check with local utility companies and government programs. Many offer rebates or tax credits to homeowners who install energy-efficient upgrades. Environmental benefits. Reducing energy consumption doesn't just save money, it's also better for the environment. Scottsdale homeowners who upgrade to energy-efficient windows contribute to reduced carbon footprint. Lower energy use means fewer greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Conservation of resources. Using less energy helps conserve natural resources and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Sustainable living. By choosing eco-friendly products, you're making a positive impact on the planet for future generations. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your home. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your Scottsdale home, consider the following factors. Energy performance ratings. Look for windows certified by Energy Star and review the National Fenestration Rating Council (NFRC) labels for U factor and solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC). For Scottsdale's climate, prioritize windows with low SHGC values to reduce solar heat gain. Professional installation. Even the most advanced windows won't perform well if improperly installed. Hire experienced professionals who understand the unique demands of Scottsdale's environment. Style and design. Energy-efficient windows come in various styles, from casement to sliding to picture windows. Choose options that complement your home's architecture while enhancing performance. The bottom line: energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a smart investment in comfort, savings, and sustainability. For Scottsdale homeowners, these windows offer a powerful way to combat the desert heat, reduce energy bills, and contribute to a greener future. Whether you're building a new home or retrofitting an existing one, energy-efficient windows are a step forward in creating a comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly living space.